guys, this is Avantika, and today we're going to make an app which will change the screen's color when we click on a button. So, this app will kind of look like this. So, when I click on this button, it's going to change the color to green. This is how I have coded. So, we are going to make this in code.org. So, let's go to code.org, and you just if you want to make this app here, so you need to sign up for it. Make sure you sign up for it, otherwise it won't allow you to use app lab here. App lab this time. So we are going to make this in app lab. So then click on app lab and let it load. Yeah, and then rename it. So I'll rename it as my project uh one, I guess. Just rename it as how if you'll remember it. So, and click on save, then go to design. So first part is designing. So then after you go to design, so in this app we are going to need a button and a label. So a button is for when you click on it, you need a button to click on it, and a label which is telling that you need to click on the button to change the screen's color. So drag this here. Yeah, the button here, and there's a default id as button 1, but you can also change it, like give it a small name so it will be easy to remember. Like I'll do it as like button color clr, but button clr. Then I'll change its text to click on me, and to adjust its size you can go to uh, the corner and drag it, or you can also change it here, the width and the height. And to relocate it, you need to click on it and drag it wherever you want. So for example, here I want it. Then I'm going to increase font size by clicking here on the top arrow, the on the up arrow, or you can also type it. And I'll change this font family. So font family is like font style, italic, bold, Arial, Times, like that. So I'll select it as Arial. I think I'll increase its size again, font size. And I want to change its background color, the button's background color. I don't want it as orange. I'll have it as, I guess, purple or pink. Wait, I'll have it as red. Yeah. You can select any color you want. There are lots of options here. You need to just like drag on it here to select it, like this, and go with purple only. Yeah, so get a label here, drag this label here, and we'll write the text, and I don't think we need to rename it. So we'll write the text as click on the button below to change the color, the background color of the screen. Yeah, I'll also relocate it and drag it a bit. Yeah, and I'll increase its font size here, like this, 22, and its font family to Georgia. Yeah, And I also change its for text color here. So it's not, it looks like it's black, but it's not black, it's like gray. So I'll drag it here, this circle here, and select this color here, black. Now I'm going to change its background color of the screen, like default one. Then when we click on the button, it will change to something else, but like the default one, I'll select a very light color, like this. Yeah, I like it. Now I want I want its the label's background color to change it like white. So we'll go here. So this here is the transparency. Okay, so in default background color of the label, the transparency is 0, so you won't be able to see the color because it's selected black here, but the transparency is 0. So if I do this, the background color will be black, but I don't want black, I want white. So I'll drag the circle here, and yeah, it's white now. Now have a we'll change the border color and width. So I'll select the border width as 2 and the border color as black. Yeah. And this is border radius. So you can also select this. It will just make the edges rounder, as you can see. Yeah. It looks pretty good now. Now the designing part is done. Designing was very fun. Now we'll code for it. So then click on code here. Yeah. So today we are going to code in blocks. So on drag this first one on event, click on it, drag it and keep it here. Yeah, so on event, select the id. So when you go here, hover on the button, you'll get to know its id if you forgot it. So I have named it as its id as button clr. So click on this triangle here, and you can select it here, button clr. So on event is basically like when. Okay, so when button clr is clicked. Okay, so clicked. What I want the background color of the text to change to something else. So then scroll down, and you'll find this block which is set property. Okay, not get property, it's set property. So drag it here and attach it inside it. Okay, when you see the yellow line, then leave it there. Yeah, so set property of, then you need to select the id. So the id of the screen is screen 1. So click on this triangle and select the screen 1. So set property of screen 1 to, I want its background color to change. So the property I need to change is background color. So I'll select it here, background color, and I want it to change to um blue. Okay. So we are done with the code, and let's check if it works. Okay, so let's revise the code again. So on event, when button CLR is clicked, when this is clicked, set property of screen 1, so screen 1's background color to blue. So when I click on this, background color should be changed to blue. So when I click on run, yeah, you need to click on run first, and then when I click on me here, the background color is changed to blue. So we are done with it, and you can also select some other colors like red. So it will change to red, and green, it can also change to green. Yeah, so you can select any color you want. And if you want a color that you like, but like a different color. You're not like the default colors given here. So you can go and select this RGBA, yeah, and keep it here. So RGBA, I've told you, is red, green, blue, and A is term for like transparency. Alpha, I guess. Wait, A is for transparency. Sorry. So you can go to color picker here, and we can select one here, any color you like. Okay, so let's see if I want this color. Yeah, this color. So its RGB value is given here. So I want its transparency to 1. I don't want it like half transparent. Transparency 1 is means it's opaque. Okay, then I'll go to color picker and select it. So the RGB value is 255, 64, and 134. So I'll keep it here. 255, 64, and 134. Okay, and the transparency is 1, which means it's opaque. So when I click on run, it's when I click on this button, its colors, the background color of the screen should change to this color. So let's check it. So when I click on this, it's changing its color to this pink, the pink I choose. So thank you guys for watching this video. And if you want to share what you made like this, then click on share, and you'll get this link. You can copy this link and share it to your family and friends. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and click on the subscribe and the notification bell to get any updates whatever I upload. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.